The 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road boasts a rugged design tailored for adventure. Its aggressive front grille, bold fender flares, and available LED lighting give it a commanding presence. Skid plates and 17-inch alloy wheels with all-terrain tires ensure it's ready to conquer tough trails while maintaining a sleek and modern aesthetic. Under the hood, the TRD Off-Road packs a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine with up to 278 horsepower, delivering impressive power for on- and off-road driving. The suspension system features TRD-tuned shocks, and its advanced multi-terrain select and crawl control systems provide confidence on challenging terrain. The back seats offer surprising comfort and versatility for a mid-sized truck. With improved legroom and available reclining seatbacks, passengers can enjoy long trips. Fold-down options provide extra storage, making the interior adaptable for both passengers and gear. Inside, the Tacoma blends durability with comfort. The cabin features soft-touch materials, supportive TRD embroidered seats, and bold accents that reflect its off-road identity. The layout is ergonomic, ensuring easy access to controls while staying rugged enough to handle adventurous lifestyles. The TRD Off-Road excels in practicality, with features like a damped tailgate, an available in-bed 120-volt outlet, and multiple storage compartments. Its optional power-adjustable driver's seat and wireless charging pad add a touch of luxury to the utilitarian design. equipped with modern tech. The TRD Off-Road includes a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Additional features like a premium JBL sound system and over-the-air updates keep drivers connected and entertained. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 suite comes standard, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Additional options, including a 360-degree camera and blind spot monitoring, provide enhanced situational awareness for safer drives. The 2024 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road combines robust performance, advanced technology, and thoughtful features to create a truck that's ready for both daily drives and rugged adventures. It's a perfect blend of capability, comfort, and innovation for those who demand more from their midsize pickup. You can view our selection at deserttoyota.com. Give us a call at 520-585-5413 or visit our showroom today.